How to unlike all Instagram posts at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on your activity, then click on interactions, and finally click on likes. And here you will find all the posts that you've liked on your account. So in order for you to delete all of them, what you need to do is click on the select button at the top right of the screen that's written in blue, then select all of the posts, and once you're done, click on unlike at the bottom that's written in red. A confirmation box will pop up which asks you, are you sure you want to unlike all of these posts? Click unlike to confirm. And there you have it. That's how you can unlike all of the liked posts on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.